More caution in the markets today. Stocks lower, led by tech, ahead of NVDA earnings, which are tomorrow after the close. Dow flat, but the S&Ps were down about 45 at their low. The NASDAQ down over 200 at their low. Perhaps as a bit of a hangover from last week's eco data that showed inflation still here. The Fed most likely pushing back the date of that first rate cut. And that rate cut is expected now in June. That has moved from March to May to June. And the Fed is saying, there could be maybe even a further delay in the first cut. Investors awaiting the release also of Fed minutes tomorrow. That's from the last policy meeting, as well as a lot of remarks from central bankers later this week. ES options today. Big volume today in today's expiring 49.75 puts and 5,000 calls. Also, this end of week expiring 4,900 puts. ES at the money implied vol for Friday is almost 14%. That's very expensive compared to where it's been. ES put volume last week, higher than we've seen, averaging about 70% of all volume. And over the last 5 days, 65% of all ES options that have traded had expirations of 0 to 5 days. Bitcoin kind of back in the hovering stage here, but news from the CME starting Monday, March 18th and pending regulatory approval. CME will be listing micro Bitcoin Euro futures and micro Ether Euro futures contracts. Those will start trading on the 18th, again on Globex, pending regulatory approval. We will see those soon added to the suite of all of the other cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and Ether products.